Okay, so here we are. I want to get it in the camera shot. We've got Mr. Chippie back. Tango 21, Mr. Chippie.
Tango 21, go ahead.
Right, well, I'm on the customer's Amstrad 900.
Roger that. Right, we just come up to the end of the lane.
Roger, got you at the end of the lane.
Right, we're now passing Ancaster service station.
Roger, got you at Ancaster service station.
Roger. Right, we're just passing through Ancaster Crossroads.
Roger, got you at Ancaster Crossroads. Have you got your 4-metre walkie-talkie with you so you can have a go getting some of those who are on over?
Yeah, but the speaker mic, the Baofeng one I've got, doesn't work properly with it. Unless I press the connector right into the socket, I'm not receiving any audio, so can't really use it that easily. So I'll probably have to get a Wimpton one, with better quality anyway, I would say.
I was just thinking that when you're at your destination at Sleaford, then you can whip the radio out and probably use it in an ordinary way over.
Yeah, but I didn't bring the aerial. Anyway, just going over the top of the hill to go down in towards Wilton.
Roger, got you at the top of the hill.
I mean, I can still have a go with the part stuff anyway, so that's fine.
Roger.
And then 21 from Chippie, now going around Stretch Corner, Wilton.
Wow, that is coming through well. I know this set's sensitive. It's a genuine Amstrad, so it's Cybernet radio. Very good. And it's full 4 watts. Well, it wasn't scratchy at all round Scratchy Corner.
Right, we're now going over Wilford Level Crossing.
Roger, got you going over Wilsford Level Crossing.
Right, we're now passing I never forgot it.
Yeah, it's all this gallivanting off for a couple of weeks. Got you at the Kelby turn. Roger, got you at the Grayleys turn. Roger, got you at Rawsby Level Crossing. That concludes the test, thank you.
Roger that,
10-10. Right, well, we'll see what that sounds like on that original Action Man microphone, which seems to be working since I cleaned the contacts in it. Let's see what this volume controls like. Well, it seems to be holding its own. Right, we'll go over to our base station and see what it sounds like.